Winter is coming, and that means you're gonna have to move your plants inside, right? But what about watering them? Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the RainPoint Indoor Auto Drip Irrigation Kit. Whoa! This is an indoor kit that helps you water your plants and also schedule them and all kinds of stuff. Very nice! But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. We're going to look at this RainPoint system right here. This is an indoor auto drip irrigation kit. And wow, look at that. Packaging looks very, very nice on this. But as you know, RainPoint always makes awesome products, so let's open it up. Looks like in this bag we have our soil spikes right there, and the way this works is the tubing hooks into these little spikes and it allows the water to go into these spikes and down to the roots. So very, very nice. These are included. This is the tubing that I just mentioned right here. So some of these tubes are going to be for the spikes and some of them will be for the actual water. So you'll be able to put one of these tubes in water. It sucks the water up into the system and then disperses it out to your plant. So two different sizes for two different reasons. We've got a 3-year warranty card that's included, then also our user manual. So user manual will be important because it's going to teach you about setting up the app and everything you need to know. So very, very nice. Understand the features, read the user manual. We also have these right here. We also have these right here, which are important. So you put this in the water tank, it helps filter the water out. So sometimes you may get debris or bugs or anything in there, and you don't want that going into your plant, so it'll suck it into this filter and keep it away. We've also got stoppers and things like that in here and splitters, so you can split into multiple different potted plants. Very cool. Looks like we have what looks to be part of a mounting system and then also our power plug here. And it looks like it is a form of USB-C. So we've got a USB-A to USB-C charger plug. So charge everything up, make sure it's good. And finally, the system itself. Whoa. This thing looks so nice. Whoa, okay. Super, super cool. Go ahead and peel that off for you guys because we know you'll love to see it. Right here we've got our screen and everything. We've got different buttons that we can do to also just like manually water whenever we want. We've got a knob down here to turn it to do different things, so that's super awesome. Like we can set the clock so we can start the time. We can do for how long, we can do for how often, we can just turn it on or turn it off. Right here is what I was talking about before, so you have in and out. So in is where it brings the water into the system, out is where it sends it to the plants. That's basically setting it up so that you understand what's going on with the app, right? Right here we've got our power cable, so getting that set up, no big deal. Everything looks really nice. Guess what? Let's get it set up and try it out. This is the RainPoint Large Display Automatic Plant Waterer Indoor System. Exclusive cycle and soak settings. It's compared to traditional continuous irrigation. Cycle and soak is a watering technique that divides the irrigation runtime into multiple shorter cycles, with a soak period in between to ensure thorough soil saturation. This method not only saves up to 30% of water, but also boosts yields by as much as 18%. For water duration exceeding 2 minutes, you may opt to water continuously to employ cycle and soak method. Easy programming, so it's quick and easy to set up. This self-watering drip irrigation kit is configured to meet real user needs. The frequency of watering can vary significantly, ranging from every 8 hours to every 30 days. Duration spans from 20 seconds to 20 minutes. This broad range is designed to accommodate and cater to the diverse and varying water requirements of different sizes and types of potted plants across seasons. With this self-watering system, even busy plant enthusiasts can keep their greenery thriving. Manual and delay watering. If you just need to water temporarily, you can simply press the manual button and it won't interrupt preset schedules. Upon activating the delay function, watering plan can be suspended for 24, 48, or 72 hours to conserve water and avoid overwatering on rainy days or when the soil moisture level is excessively high. Even water distribution. RainPoint's uniquely engineered drip line system stands out in the market by enhancing the uniformity of water distribution across emitters. Plants near the water source won't suffer from overwatering, while those further away won't experience water shortage. This system also equips with an anti-backflow valve to avoid water distribution deviation caused by siphon effect. Hassle-free and long-lasting water solution. RainPoint's smart chip technology offers low water auto shut-off short-circuit protection
protection and overcharge protection, and ultra low power consumption to minimize frequent recharging, ensuring it will have a longer and more reliable life than others. Its versatility also makes it an excellent, thoughtful, and practical gift for plant enthusiasts of any level. Everything you need is going to be included in the box, so your life is just going to get that much easier. This is another amazing product from RainPoint, and I gotta say guys, great job.
As you know, we've worked with RainPoint in the past, and all of their products have been fantastic. We've reviewed multiple other products that are outdoor and solar powered, but this is the first one that's indoor. And I gotta say, the quality on this thing is just mwah! It's super nice. It makes your life so much easier. Yes, Mom, I watered the plants. More like RainPoint did it. We want to give a huge shout out to RainPoint for sponsoring this video. You can find all the links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!